We have made it to Pier 39. This is where you'll find the aquarium. You'll also find the Hard Rock Cafe and some other shops and venues as well. If you're driving to San Francisco and you want to come to Pier 39, there is a parking garage directly across the street from it. The pier opened in 1978. It was developed by entrepreneur Warren Simons and has since grown into one of the city's most famous attractions. It was built on a historic pier but transformed into a modern entertainment and shopping complex and boardwalk. After the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake, California Sea Lions began hauling out of the docks next to Pier 39. At times, over 1,000 sea lions gather here. They are even building ports or piers specifically for them. So this got some of Trish's mini donuts. Pretty cool how they make them real fast. It just goes right in and they're sold pretty fast. So hot. How cool is that? That particular dog, $4,500. They have another one that goes sideways. It's $6,000. But it's a security dog. It's got a camera. You can use AI, and it can just patrol around your home at night. And kind of keep track of any suspicious people. That's pretty awesome. Don't worry, Heejin, I won't get one yet. There are over 90 shops and 14 full-service restaurants here at the Pier. Many of them have views of the Bay, Alcatraz, and the Golden Gate Bridge, and even some of them have views of all of them. The aquarium on the bay is located here as well. The carousel on Pier 39 is a hand-painted double-decker Italian carousel with San Francisco-themed artwork. Now, one of the stores we're going to go check out right now is the Christmas store, because by the time you're viewing this, it's going to be around Christmas time. And who doesn't like Christmas? There you can see you get a great view of Alcatraz, the Golden Gate Bridge, and if he pops his head back up, there is a seal that's just floating around here. But it's very nice area to be at. Well, it looks like the sea lions are still out eating. There's about 3 of them that were traveling together. One of them just popped up on the dock. There's one that's been hanging out on the dock. So, oh my, check it out. I have time, I'll come back. Maybe we can see them all on there. Their little piers sunbathing. Pier 39, it sits at the edge of Fisherman's Wharf, which is right over there. And it's one of the most visited neighborhoods in San Francisco. They attract between 10 and 12 million visitors a year to this area. Now, at a particular point of the pier, you can get a 360 view of Angel Island, the Bay Bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, and Alcatraz. Get a few more sea lions for you. But anyway, this is a really great place. It's so close to the cruise port, so if you're cruising in here, you definitely got to check it out. Even if you don't plan on going anywhere in San Francisco, come over here, grab a bite to eat, look at the shops, check out the sea life. Pretty cool. Well, that completes our time here at Pier 39. If you have any questions about it, let me know.